Hello, Jelly Shark here for your weekly weather update live. Well, I'm live. You're obviously not watching this live because if you were, then it would be live, but it's not live, it's recorded, but I'm live as I'm recording this right now. Very confusing. Anyway, look at the office. Look at the weather. It's lovely today. Reason I'm at the office because Shaun's here and Shaun's going to do the weather because he's awesome. Shaun, what's the weather doing?
Good morning guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with your weekly weather update, and thanks Jay for being out there. It looks quite interesting.
What's going on with your voice, Shaun? It went a little bit high then.
No, I'm playing both.
Are you?
Yeah.
Let me come in, Shaun.
Say ooh.
I've been playing acting classes. You should have high, you should have low, you should go through tones.
Really?
Yeah, apparently.
What acting class did you do?
Online one. It was on YouTube and it was free.
What are you watching there?
And
Anyway, we did the weather. I did the weather last week.
Yes.
Not we did because you were away watching football with Lucas.
and let's put it up there right now and we'll admit it.
What?
Last week was just a horrible week.
I did. If you go back and hello everybody, by the way. If you go back and look at the weather, I did say it's going to be a dodgy week. I said it's going to be windy and it's going to be wet, and it was windy and wet.
It was. It's slightly improved today being Saturday. That doesn't make any difference because you
Hey,
won't see this video.
Did you
Sunday.
see the typhoon picture I put up over Taiwan?
Oh gosh.
Could we put that up on the screen?
Yeah.
There you go. I made a comment about that, and I got really good hits for it.
95,000 of that.
Hey, and also, if you want to book a boat before high season, book it now because we're running out of boats. Otherwise, you might have to use a raft like this one. Just trying to help that campaign go along. It's good actually. Hey, no, before you get to the weather, last night I was emceeing an event and lots of people commented on that video, the raft building video. They said it was very good.
It was good.
Thanks.
I'm pleased to hear that.
Good. Do we get any bookings from it?
No.
Ow! Right, let's do the weather, Shaun.
Okay, so when we do the weather, we use 3 different apps, of which the main one we use is Windy.
Windy!
Windy dictates what we think will happen with the sea and the potential blowover of rain and clouds. So looking forward to Sunday.
Sunday, Shaun, that's today.
This is Phuket.
Shaun, we're not looking forward to Sunday. It is Sunday.
Yeah.
It's Sunday, everybody.
This is why I'm not an actor and why I stand behind the camera.
What are you on there?
This
How
is
small have you got it up?
And this is PP out here. So you actually see this blue condition. What does blue mean, Jay?
Blue's good.
So basically, Sunday we're expecting pretty good conditions all year
I
round.
told you this. Take off the silly things. You can, but make it bigger. People can't see. They're looking over here thinking,
But
"Oh,
when
it's
people,
green."
you know what happens when people message me at 6 o'clock in the morning and say, Shaun, what's it like over here? I use the videos.
Okay,
They're
fine.
live videos.
All right, get on with it.
I'm in Krabi. What's the weather like?
Get on
I
with
can
it.
see it.
What's today like, Shaun?
Sunday, we're looking at. Sunday, yep. Blue.
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 Blue. Di.
Monday, blue.
Is it? I need to go to Ratcha this week.
Monday, Blue. Did you hear that the group Blue are coming to perform in Thailand?
What, the original Blue?
The original Blue.
Oh, can you name a song from Blue?
No.
Oh, hold on, let's have a little think.
One eternity later.
Oh, there was the one in the courtroom.
Cuts to Kyle.
No.
No, it's not Carl. It's friggin' Miguel. He's worked with us for over 6 months now and you still haven't got his name right. Sorry, Miguel. What Blue did the one in the courtroom? And I can't think of it. The only thing I've got bloody blue dibby do in my head.
Same.
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been died, I've been deed, I've been died.
Okay, anyway, carry on. Blue's good.
Monday, Tuesday is good. Wind condition pretty much can go anywhere you like. Moving forward to Wednesday,
Ooh.
maintains the same condition.
Maintains the same condition. Sean needs to speak a little bit louder.
Moving to Thursday,
Thursday's rushing through this.
same conditions.
Same
With
conditions.
a little bump in the afternoon. So if we're having our nice little PP trip on the way back in the afternoon,
Which day?
it's going to be a little bumpy.
Bumpy on Thursday.
Yes.
I'm not going out Thursday then.
Friday,
Friday, baby.
Oh, it's calm in the
Hey,
morning.
do you remember Rebecca Black? Friday, if we're doing music. It's Friday. Friday.
and
No?
Saturday, a little bumpy.
Sean wants to get this done and leave.
Saturday's a little bit bumpy. PP.
Little bit
If I'm
bumpy
gonna-
on Saturday.
If I have a choice, I probably wouldn't do PP on Saturday. I would go up into Phang Bay or Hong Karabi area.
Hong Karabi is
forward
lovely, by the way.
Through to Sunday. Sunday's a good week.
Sean, you're just
We
talking.
have
Talk to the people.
We have
Hello.
a really good week in front of us. It's a good time to get out on the sea, and you know what? It's quiet out there.
It is quiet. It's nice.
A lot of people ask me, do I have to avoid the crowds? And I said, what crowds? Tourism's down by 6.6%, and that's on an average number, but on a month like this, it's a lot lower than
Be
that.
positive.
No,
Negative,
actually, it's a
positive.
good time to travel. It's a good time to be here.
Yes, come to
Good time
Phuket
to
now.
be in Phuket, going on tours. We have good weather. You should go. And
Good weather apart from
I would
Thursday.
say to you,
Yes. What? What have I done?
Phang Nga Bay
Phang Nga Bay
and PP
and PP.
are more beautiful during this time because
I
of the
always say
greenery.
that. No, I say that because it's lusher and it's greener and you get better Instagram because the colours pop, and you can go and see all the filming locations from around Phang Nga Bay. So if you loads of
Now,
videos about
recently we've had
Yes.
Alien Earth come out. With the
Alien Double Dot Earth are the first two come out. Have you watched them? Yes, he has, and they're brilliant. Oh, come on.
Those were filmed entirely in Thailand. We had Jurassic Park come out.
No, we didn't. We had Jurassic World come out.
We're filming in Thailand.
Yes.
We have something very special around James Bond coming out.
On the 22nd of
Which we're
August.
super excited about because that was the funnest shoot in the world.
It was the funnest shoot. And I'm in the trailer. Can we put the trailer up?
And then we have,
We can put the trailer up.
We can put it at the end. And then we
Okay.
have Howling Paradise, all in French, coming out.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jay, j'habite à Phuket, je voudrais un grand
And
beer.
Sanwa-
I haven't finished my French.
Sanwa debuts her acting debut. In that one.
Sanwa debuts her acting debuts.
Yes.
Good England, mate. I said it's a French word, isn't it? Is she in that film, is she?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay.
Looking at the other apps,
Yes.
Yep, there's some.
What's the rain looking like? I said, look, we've done the windy. Because it has been rainy last week. What's the rain looking like on acute weather? No, that's today. Pointless looking at that one. Go to, what does it say, percentage of rain?
Sunday okay, Monday okay.
What's the
Tuesday, no
percentage of
Wednesday,
rain?
No, I just says here.
Can I just say, when it says percentage of rain on your weather apps, it doesn't mean it's going to rain 50% of the day in the whole of Phuket. It just means there's a 50% chance it might rain somewhere on Phuket. And it could be raining on Surin Beach, which they've completely cleared Surin Beach now.
No, Jay, there's
No,
been
they
a
haven't
request-
finished. Don't interrupt. Thank you. I told him off. Surin Beach, they've totally cleared it now. It's now a virgin beach. I've not seen a virgin for a long time.
a few years ago.
Yeah, they just redone it again.
So our
Yes.
our watchers have
Our watchers.
been sending comments to us.
Our watchers.
So what I would like you to do is to come and sit on this chair. Come sit here.
Okay. This is, don't kick the camera. What are you
Yes.
doing? I'm not expecting this.
No, I need to demonstrate what we call
Hold on.
different sea conditions. So I'm just gonna
What are you doing to the camera?
move it a little bit.
G'day, everyone.
I need
I'm
you to
Shaun.
sit. I need you
from-
to sit face towards to the camera.
I'm Shaun from Australia,
Okay.
and I love Australia. It's
Okay.
great.
Sit back.
Sit. What are you doing? I don't
If
like.
we
Don't
have-
touch me.
If we have light blue winds, this
What are
is
you
what we
doing?
expect on the sea.
Shaun's humping me from behind. I don't like
If
it.
the winds get a
What are
little
you
bit
doing?
rougher, maybe we're going to let this
Is this all for
on the
engagement?
sea. And in the event we hit a monsoon, it's like this on the sea. So when we say now,
Hold on.
slightly bumpy.
Oh yeah.
like
Slightly
this.
bumpy.
This-
Yeah.
Yeah, and when
Yeah.
we say bumpy,
Bumpy.
and when we say very rough.
Oh yeah, I like it rough.
Say ooh.
What? What are you watching on that screen? Who's that?
Those are the ratings. People have been asking me
They
what
won't
it
see
looks
you
like.
now. It's just me. This is what you doing.
They've been asking what it looks like.
Listen, if you've got any questions about the weather, then comment below. Would you just go now? I'll
Do
take
you know
over.
how hard I worked
Well,
to
look,
build
I got
that
Shaun's
view?
notes. I'm going to write a note on here. Pay J more. Done. Right. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about the weather, please put a comment below, like and subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching, and book a boat now before high season. Can we go now?
Yep.
Good. All right, then you have to turn it off. You're behind the camera now. Cheers.
No way.
I'm sending you around the world on a series of missions. You will be competing against each other for the chance to win £1 million. Eliminate the competition. Master the gadgets. And find your inner bond. If you lose, you'll be out.
Is everything okay, darling?
Only the best will make it to the end.
This is horrific.
Don't look to your right, there's a shark.
Oh, fucking hell.
Remove the scorpions by their tail.
So I think you should do it.
Okay, so what are you going to do then?
Well, I will. Oh, see that note on the screen there where it says, I need help, Jay won't leave me alone. Can I just say, if you see the WhatsApp messages this morning from Shaun since about 6 a.m, there's 1,000 because he's got all creative this morning. Right, let's do the weather. I like your thermos cup. And I like the fact you're not wearing uniform.